Hey everyone, welcome back to Pably, and in this video you are going to learn how you can use JotForm to collect the data of your leads or customers and add them into a CRM automatically. So CRMs or customer relationship management applications are used by many businesses to build a better relationship with their customers, and here we have taken the example of Apollo CRM. So let me show you how you can how this automation is going to help you in this. So the flow of this automation is going to look like this. As and when you receive a form submission from any customer or lead, the data of that lead will be delivered here in Apollo CRM and a new contact will be created here automatically. So here you don't have to worry about collecting the data of your leads or customer manually and add them one by one here in Apollo CRM. So this is going to save a lot of your crucial time and energy, and you can effectively manage your CRM strategy as well. Okay, and to make this happen, we are using Pably Connect, which is an integration and automation tool. And guys, the best part of setting up this automation is that you will not require any coding skills or programming knowledge. So any person can set up this automation very easily. So now let's set up this automation together. So the first step to set up this automation, guys, is to log in into your Pably Connect account. So for that, you can check the link that we have pasted in the description for you, from where you can set up your free Pably Connect account in just 2 minutes, and it will give you 100 free automation tasks for every new month. Okay. And after that, you can after signing up, you can sign in and reach here on the dashboard of Pably Connect like this. Okay, and here guys, you have to start working by creating a workflow. So to create a workflow, you just have to click here on this create workflow button like this, and here you can give any suitable name to your workflow. So let me fill the name here. So here I have given the name to this workflow as add contacts from JotForm submissions in Apollo CRM. Okay, now you can click here on this create button. And on this page, guys, you will find these two things. First, the trigger and the action. So this automation is going to work on these things. So the trigger here is the happening of any event which is going to trigger this workflow. And the action is the response to that trigger. As in our use case, the trigger would be any JotForm submission, and the action or the response towards that trigger would be to add the person who have filled the form into Apollo CRM as a contact. Okay, so first of all, you have to set up your trigger. So from this choose app field, you have to choose your trigger application, which is JotForm in our case. And now you have to select the trigger event as new response. And it will give you this URL. This is called as a webhook URL, guys, and it is used to fetch the data out from any external application to here in Pably Connect. So with the help of this URL, we are going to connect our form, and we will fetch a demo submission from our form to here in Pably Connect, and with the help of that demo submission or that demo data, we are going to move forward here. Okay. Now to make the connection, you just have to copy this webhook URL from here. Then you have to go to the dashboard of JotForm, and here are the forms that I have created in JotForm, and I'm going to use this one, the contact form. Okay. So I'm going to click on more here, and from this section I'm going to click on settings like this. Okay, and the form settings page, here you can see on the left hand side we have this integrations option. Click on integrations, and here you'll find this webhooks tab. So click on webhooks, and you can see an integration is already up and running. So let me remove this integration first, and from here you can search for webhook again. This is webhooks, and here in this add webhook field you have to paste the webhook URL that you have copied from Pably Connect, and then you have to click here on this complete integration button, and you can see that the integration is ready here. Okay, so here you can see as you have copied this webhook URL, it started showing this waiting for the webhooks response. So this means now you have to do a test submission, or you have to fill the form here that in which you have integrated here. You have to fill that form, and we are going to fetch the data of that form here. Okay, so I'm opening my form again. So this is my form and I'm opening it. Okay, and here I'm going to fill out the test details of any customer or lead. Okay, so let's say the customer is Neeraj Agarwal. This is the email ID of him, and here I am going to put the number. Okay, and I'm clicking on submit here, and you can see the form is submitted successfully. Now let's see in Pabbly Connect if we got the data of this demo submission, and here you can see we got the details of a test submission like this. We got the details of the person who have filled the form like this. Okay, now I want to add the same person as a contact in my Apollo CRM application, and for that to happen you have to connect your Apollo CRM in this action window. So from this choose app field you have to search for Apollo. Okay, this is Apollo application, and in the action event you have to select create contact option, then click on connect, and from this window select add new connection, and here it is asking the API key to make the connection. So you just have to click here on this here text. Okay, and settings integration page of Apollo will open up, and from here you just have to copy this key written here. Just copy this key and paste this key here in this field in your workflow in this API key field, and then click on save, and you'll be connected with Apollo CRM like this. Okay, now it is asking for these things to create a contact in Apollo. So I'm going to use the data that we have received in this first step, and I'm going to map this test data here in the second step. Okay, so to map the data you just have to click here on this first name, and you will see this jot form new response option in the drop down, and when you click on it you will find all the data that you have captured in the first step only. Okay, so from here I'm going to map the first name like this. For the last name use the same process, map the last name. Okay, for the organization's name you can see if you have the name of the organization. If you do not have, you can put here manually the name of your organization. Okay, and in the email let me map the email. This is the email address. Okay, you can give a title also. You can select the stage of the contact, in which stage is contact you want to add, approaching stage or replied or interested. Here I am selecting interested. Okay, you can put the website URL of any URL you have. Okay, or if you have the address of this person you can map the address as well. For now I am leaving these things blank. I just mapped the compulsory things to create a contact here. Okay, like this. And now you can check your connection with Apollo CRM by clicking on save and send test request. Okay, so right now I have these contacts here in Apollo CRM. You can see this is my Apollo CRM's dashboard, and now I'm clicking on save and send test request, and let's see what happens. And here you can see this is the response we have received here. Now let me show you in Apollo if we got the data of this person here. So I'm refreshing the contacts page here, and here in the saved contacts now you can see we got one more contact added. Previously it was 10, now it is showing 11, and here you can see a new contact's name is Neeraj Agarwal from Jotform is present here. Okay, added here. So this is how it is going to work in real time, guys. Okay, so our connection is working fine, and now let me give you a quick recap what we have done here. So first of all, in the trigger I connected Jotform application, and with the help of a webhook URL I captured the data of a test submission from Jotform here like this. After this I connected in the action step Apollo CRM application and mapped the data to create a contact there, and we have seen that the contact got added. Now let me show you a real-time example how it is going to happen in real time. So guys, once you set up this automation you need not to do anything manually again. After that what will happen, whenever any person is going to fill your form like this that I am filling, so let me fill the form again. This time the let's say the name be John Matthews. Okay, and this is the email address, and this is the phone number. Okay, and I'm clicking on submit here, and you can see the form got submitted. Now let me show you in Apollo CRM directly if we got the data. Okay, if we got a new contact added here. So I'm refreshing this page again. So here you can see we have 11 contacts right now. Let me refresh this page. And you can see we got one more contact added, then the quantity is 12 here. Let me show you where is the contact, and I think it should be in alphabetical order, and you can see here John Matthews got added here like this. Okay, so this is how it is going to happen in real time, guys. So once you set up this automation, you need not to do anything manually. After that, automatically your JotForm submissions contact will be added into your CRM. And guys, the good part is you can use this same workflow that I just created, because I'm going to paste the link of this same workflow in the description so that you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.